You look at it. You look at voting the same way you look at just having breakfast or dinner or doing anything else that you do. Reading a book, or changing towns, or trying to build a better house, or move into a better apartment. It's just a process of trying to do the best that you can in the prison that you're in. You know, you move to a better cell where you can think better. I mean, you might can get better food, or a better bunk. I mean, the bunk that you're lying on may be uncomfortable and whatnot, so you get a new mattress because the warden allows you to have one. So you do the same thing with voting. You do the best you can in the prison conditions that you're in. Remember, we are all in prison if you have color in your skin. And the prison is called the system of white supremacy, which means what? It just doesn't mean being in charge. It means I'm in charge of you because I'm white, and therefore I have a duty to mistreat you. See, here's the thing about white supremacy. It's not just being in charge. It's this, that I have a duty to mistreat you, to make you uncomfortable in mind or body, because that is my duty as a white person.
Yes.
Because I assume that that's what I'm supposed to be doing with my existence on this planet, and get you to look up and worship me based on my mistreatment of you. And it's a perverted idea, but it's a very powerful idea. And you can get a lot of things done. But they do allow you to vote, to get a few better trinkets than you have, a little comfortable position for the time being.
Mm-hmm.
So you just take advantage of that the best you can, just like going to school or anything else that they allow you to do. Because anything that you do, if you're black on this planet, you are being allowed to do it by the white supremacists if it's of any benefit at all.